goodness. All is lost. My table saw is ruined. All is lost. Oh no. Ah. Oh no. Ah. Call 911. 911. Somebody abused my table saw. All is not lost. Trust me, we could fix this. It's not a huge deal. Don't get upset, but don't let people come in and put things on your table saw. That's what happens. Rust. Rust is the worst thing that can happen to a table saw. It's all cast iron. Oh, but we'll get her fixed up right here on the Red, White, and Blue Workshop. Hello. Well, welcome back. As you can see, I'm wearing a respirator when you want to do this. So, all we got to do is you could use sandpaper on your table saw. And that's what we need to do, but you need to use some penetrating oil. So what you got to do is squirt some on there. Take your sandpaper, put it down on the... So you could use a sander, it's what I use. And just go to town. Well, I don't have a self-adhesive, but a little bit of elbow grease, and you will see let's have a look here. Hold on, let me get a paper towel. Look at that. Look at that. All you see is just a little bit of, I don't know if you can see that, there's just a little bit of residue there. Not residue, it's more like a stain, but we're going to put some oil on it. And we're going to go over it again. I keep going over it till it's gone. All right, looks good. Look at that. Oh, gone. Okay, we can take this mask off now. I don't need it anymore. Now what you want to do is you want to clean all this oil off because you're going to wax your table saw top. You got to wax her. It's got to be waxed. If you don't wax it, this stuff will happen again. My fault. I put stuff on the table saw. It's my fault. Nobody else's. I can't blame anybody but me. But I'm going to see. Well, no, you're good. What we got to do now is clean it. And the best thing to use, I found, is to clean the oil off of your saw. Sorry I'm walking around. You don't see me. I apologize. Here I am again. It is 409. It works the best. Or fantastic, either one. You got to clean all the oil off of your saw. That's the most important thing you got to do right now is clean the oil off. And clean the residue off. Once we get that all off, then we're set. We're good to go. So let that sit for a minute, soak in. And you just wipe her down and get all the oil off. Make sure you dry it really good. It's got to be really, or you'll get rust again. So you got to dry it really good. Gotta get everything cleaned here, everything. Just get everything off. for the next step. Look at that. See? Look at that. Wow. Gotta clean the other side here. You're not gonna, by sanding it, you're not gonna hurt your table saw. You will not hurt it. Okay. Just gotta let that dry a minute. Now we gotta use some wax. And the best way, you want canola-free wax. And I like to use this Minwax paste wax, finishing wax. It's made for wood. Sorry I'm walking around again, I apologize. It's made for wood, it's great, protects and polishes. It's a good furniture wax, that's what I use on here. Yeah, it works the best, I think. A lot of people like automotive wax, but it's got canola in it, and that could get on your finish, and you don't want that. Oops. I got some dust on the old table here. I just take a paper towel and spread it around. You can get this stuff anywhere. Circular, I guess. I don't know. People put it on different ways. I just do it like I'm doing waxing my car. Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off. Problem is wax on right now. There's no wax off. Stuff kind of got a little bit of odor to it. So kind of do it in a well-ventilated area. Make sure you get your miter slots and everything. Woo! Does got an odor to it. Ugh. Just get it on there. Do everything. You want everything slick. Like Norm Abrams says, I want it slick. Alright. Do your fence. Okay. I'm going to toss this rag outside because it stinks. But it's the best stuff I found to work. So, gotta let it go a few minutes. While we're waiting, the next project in the shop, what we're doing is we're going to build some cabinets. Well, not really cabinets, tool cupboards. Okay. All we got to do now is buff it off. And just get it all off best you can. Oh, look at that. That's like, whew, that's slick. So, that's what you got to do to restore your saw. And get it back to perfect working condition. And I'll tell you what, you do this twice a year, or when you see something on it and clean it up, it'll last you a lifetime. Well, that's it for today. God bless, and we'll see you soon.